Hey guys, it's Mike from Nurajack. Today we're going to show you how to assemble a Nuraspike. A Nuraspike is a deck footing made from powder coated galvanized steel. It's designed to be driven in over the grass or dirt. Place the Nurajack on top of the Nuraspike and then you're ready to build your deck. Now what are the tools that you're going to need to build a Nuraspike? Well, you'll need either a drill or a screwdriver. Now to assemble a spike, take the two pieces of the spike and simply slide them together like so. Take the top of the Nuraspike, you'll notice the pre-folded tabs and the pre-drilled holes. Place those two pieces together and take your drill with your Tech screws and simply screw it together. Now once all four screws are in, your Nuraspike's assembled and you're ready to go. For more information, please visit our website nurajack.co.nz.